CZ's first shots with a new spring set from I guess you call it a replacement parts kit from Sarco. And everyone functioned. Very good. Now that was with the PMC stock ammunition. Now we're going to try my reloads. 9 rounds. Now it's got a new recoil spring in it and a new magazine spring.
This one kicks less than that.
That one didn't close all the way.
Yeah, this one fits my hand better too.
Failure to fire. Yeah. Yeah, my reloads are the problem. Well, that one fired. It was stuck in there, but it didn't extract. It didn't have enough power to slide the handle. I think the only thing that ignited was the primer. I didn't have a squib, so yeah, I need back to the drawing board on my reloads. So let's go back to the factory ammo, see what happens.
1 minute to cease fire. 1 minute.
Works flawlessly. My reloads suck. Well, 7 yards. CZ70. Most of that is stock ammo.